Hi, my name is Greg King and I'm with Oracle VM Product Management. Oracle VM 3.3 has many new features and enhancements to help our customers deploy a virtual server environment faster, easier, and with much more flexibility. One of the many enhancements is the new way we handle the use of VLANs within the Oracle VM Manager. The concept of VLAN groups that we use with Oracle VM 3.0, 3.1, and 3.2 has been replaced with a more flexible feature called VLAN Interfaces. VLAN interfaces allow you to assign and reassign VLAN segments to different network ports individually, as we'll see in the demonstration I'm about to show you. Just keep in mind as we progress through the demo that Oracle VM takes advantage of existing VLAN trunking on your Ethernet switches. It does not create VLANs. Creating and configuring VLANs on your Ethernet switches is the job of your network administrators. So let's take a look at our new way of handling VLANs. I'll assume you already know how to log into the Oracle VM Manager and get to the Servers and VMs tab shown here. You can add or remove VLAN interfaces at any time, but let's assume you've just discovered your Oracle VM servers for the first time and you're building the environment from scratch. You can see how you've discovered 2 servers in the unassigned servers folder. Now the first thing I always do is create the network bonding on the servers. You can skip this step if you don't want to use bonded ports. Now bond 0 already exists as part of the installation process, so I'll create a bond 1 on both servers for our demo. Notice that you can specify the bond name now. However, you still have to use the word bond when creating a name, so no crafty names like ZenBR1 or James Bond 007 or Greg's Bond 1. I'm going to go ahead and leave it blank so it will use the default name of Bond 1. Now, let's create a bond on the second server. Now, let's see what happened on one of the Oracle VM servers. I'll type ifconfig, and you can see that bond 1 was created on the servers and the 2 interfaces I used with the bond are active. Now going back to the manager, click on the Networking tab, then select the VLAN Interfaces subtab. Let's take a look at our available network interfaces in the navigation pane. You can see bond 1 on the first server has no VLAN segments assigned to it yet, and the same with the second server. So let's put that away and create and assign our VLAN segments in the management pane. Select the plus icon to create a VLAN interface. First, reveal our servers and available ports like we did in the navigation pane. Then select bond 1 from both servers. Press Next to add whatever VLAN segments you'd like associated with bond 1 on each server. I will assign VLAN IDs 901 through 904 to bond 1. Press Next again to assign IP addresses to one or more VLAN segments in the next screen. Here you can assign a static IP address with netmask, or you can use dynamic to have DHCP automatically assign an IP if you're using DHCP. In our case, I'm just going to leave the segments with no IP addresses on the Oracle VM servers since I intend on using the VLANs for virtual machine traffic only. Now just press Finish to have the agents create the VLAN devices on each server. Now we just wait a moment for the agents on the servers to create the VLAN devices. Let's take a look at the command line on the first server again to see what has been accomplished at this point. I will simply type ifconfig with no arguments and scroll back up a little so you can see the 4 VLAN devices that were created and made active. Finally, let's take one more look at the Oracle VM Manager so you can see that the VLAN assignments now show up for bond 1 on each server in the navigation pane. Anyway, that should give you some good initial ideas on how to use the new VLAN Interfaces feature. You can see that the paradigm gives you the ability to assign VLAN segments at a much more granular level using individual checkboxes. I hope this brief demo has been helpful. To learn more about Oracle VM, download our product, or find more information, please visit our website at oracle.com/virtualization, and also stay connected via social media. Thanks again.